देवेंद्र, बाप रे।
Some level, Dev and I are बिछड़ा हुआ भाई.
A friend, a colleague, who comes a long way, right from Jamnagar. Some kick-ass IPL cricket we had together.
रात को 1:30 बजे आपको SMS आया और उसमें जोक है वो 100% देव का है।
What can I say?
Chutney, fatte food and lot of other things. All I want to say to Dave is don't forget to collect the Gujarati bill that you always been asking for. I got it in my pocket.
Dave is the eternal Sardar, and that's exactly how I'm always going to remember you.
The way our minds work when it comes to dirty things is quite eerie, right from Pooja's various interests to Sana's other careers, chiching types.
Dave, it was great working with you.
I think so. First time we met was we started jamming in Jamnagar, and since then we've been jamming not for events but for some unlawful things.
Most of all, your ringtone. That's something I'm really gonna miss. And so I guess the Piggy is gonna change the rail track or whatever and pick stones from some other place, but your ringtone will always remember you for that.
You're a great guy, full of enthusiasm, passion.
I've always waited for someone to guide me through. You've been the first person who has helped me do that, and I really appreciate it.
Dave, I mean, you've been the reason that I'm here today, and you know, I came because of you, and I'm here because of you. And it's been great working with you. I mean, the whole transition from operations to servicing, whatever little bit has happened is because of you. And I think I'm really going to miss working with you and miss you being around here.
I would say all the best. Had very great time with you.
Dude, wishing you the very best.
Lots of fun. Amazing colleague to work with. We had a rocking time with you over here.
कुछ भी बड़ा काम हो, understanding देवेंद्र। Great job, great thing.
I hope you have a great career span and achieve whatever goals that you set out to achieve.
You know, you've been going, it was a big shock for all of us, but needless to say, you've been an excellent boss.
Dave, I will miss you. Less than my husband, but I'll miss you nevertheless.
Well, Dave is a thorough professional, and I'm sure he'll do well wherever he goes.
Hope you get what you want and all that you are set out for.
Have a mind-blowing career.
Just wishing you the best in all that you do. I'm sure you'll succeed wherever you are.
You have been by far the best boss I could have.
All the best. Wish you all the best for all the endeavors you do in life, and see you soon.
I wish him all the best.
All the best.
Cheers, all the best.
All the best.
To the very best always.
All the best.
All the best for your future.
All the best, Dave.
All the best.
Thank you, and have a great future.
All the best from all of us here, and from me in particular.
भाई छोड़ के मत जाओ भाई मत जाओ छोड़ के भाई प्लीज
कुछ नहीं, अभी बाय बाय बोलो, see you.